Hello, okay, so I'm going to do something different today. I'm going to start off with the higher time frame charts and just map out Bitcoin, where I think it's going, and just maybe there's a few opportunities. I'm going to put on the higher time frame levels that I'm watching. So out in the 6-month chart may seem a bit extreme, but it really cleans up the chart and you can really get your higher time frame levels set in place and you don't really have to touch them again. So I'm going to do this as a group. So this candle here, this candle high, you can see it is acting as support. Let me just show you. So resistance here, support, support, this monthly close and this monthly open acting as huge support. If that breaks, the next level that I'm looking at is this candle's open and close. So let's just put that on. And you can see, let's just zoom in, that we have clear resistance, resistance, resistance. So that would act as a nice area to target if this level does break on maybe the lower time frames. Next area of resistance that I'm looking at for the upside, we can mark this candle low, as that has obviously been support in the past, and I'm marking this candle high. Just taking in the candles open and closes, I've got a general area now of support and resistance. Let me just highlight that for you. So that would be a key level for me to look for some trade ideas in and around. So let's move down into the monthly chart. And quite simply on the monthly chart, there's not much to mark out. I'm just going to mark out the candle high at the moment. Because if I embellish this and we take out a significant high, say here, and get back below, then I can look for selling opportunities back down to that level in around 20k. So let's just look at an example of that. So we can see the last time Bitcoin, we took this high, we also took this monthly high, huge sell off. The last time we got a push, a pullback, and then a push. So at the moment we could be experiencing a pullback. If you look at this pullback here, for instance, where was the area Bitcoin fell from? So if you look at the previous monthly high, you can see it rejected a huge sell-off. We could also have this monthly high on. We read that and sell off. So that is a key level that I want to be watching, and that's something that I have on my charts. So let's go down into the daily and just take a look at structure. We'll get a closer look at structure on the lower time frames. So this pullback phase on Bitcoin, what I really want to be doing is trying to get as many touches as possible, trying to get a clean level. So you can see we have this channel that price is moving in the pullback phase. So we have resistance here, support, resistance, resistance, and resistance at that monthly high. Support, support, bit of a deviation, support and support. So at the moment, my bearish bias, we could see a run down to this channel support, but I do have those higher time frame levels on my chart. So if we were looking for selling opportunities, this area here, you can see 278.29 to say 29k, 29.310. So this area is where I'll be looking for higher time frame shorts, swing trades. If we break above the monthly high, reject, then I'll be looking for swing trades also. So at the moment, my bias is bearish and I want to be trading with the trend, but at the moment that's a bit tricky because on the lower time frames we have higher highs and lower highs. So the trend on the lower time frames is bullish, but the overall trend on the higher time frames is bearish. So I really want that to change, or I'm only taking day trades to the downside or the direction that I think is most likely to break. So with that being said, let's go down and see if there's any trades today. I'm going to have a quick look. We'll go down into the H4. We can see that price has come up, sweep this high and reject it. So where is the support and resistance? We do have support here, a retest of this level. If we get a breakdown or a bearish reaction, we could see a move down to these clean lows or to fill in this candle. So what I will be doing, we'll be looking for selling opportunities. I won't sell straight at this level. I'll look for a breakdown at this level use swing highs for my stop placement, and then looking to target possibly this channel support, maybe this inefficiency in this channel, or these clean lows. So I'll have targets on the way down. If we hit one target, we can trim some off, move stops to break even, however you want to manage your trade. But at the moment, that's what I'm seeing. I've got my higher time frame levels in play, and at the moment I'm just looking for lower time frames. If we break back above here, I would expect this monthly high to go. So yeah, sitting on the sidelines at the moment. If we do come back into this area of resistance, I will be looking for a breakdown, and maybe we could add some confidence to that if we go down into the support, resistance, support, support. We're breaking back inside. If we come up, take that level, break back below, then we can use that as confluence as well on the lower time frame. So we have our higher time frame levels, support, support, could turn to resistance, wait for this level to break for that added confluence, and then just target each section as we go along. These clean lows, this candle's inefficiency, and this channel support. So that's all for Bitcoin today. I'll keep you updated on the daily if anything changes, but that's what I'm looking at today, and I'm wishing you a profitable week.